me make sure everything is working here. Okay, so it looks like I am live. Yes, okay, I am live. Alright, there we go. So I want to do a quick daily recap on what happened today. Just finished putting in my stats here. Had a pretty good day. Definitely recovered a lot of what I lost in the previous week. Coincidentally, turned me green on the week by $15. How about that? So anyway, first trade I took on the day was on Riven. Decent setup, definitely not the greatest thing I've ever seen, just looking for a short continuation play off of this one here. Main concern on this was it was already a bit overextended, but it looked like the hourly 9 caught up with it pretty decent, so that usually is enough for me to say that it's not overextended. But the problem happened during pre-market. Obviously market gap down pretty good today, clear steady downtrend, but towards the bell here started ripping back up higher here. Same with the SPY, same with the Qs here, so I think I kind of got a bit ahead of myself. Maybe needed to wait and see this one play out a little bit more, because it did set up for a much better short several times over here. Might even do some more here, see what the market does, but it looks like we're recovering now. But anyway, I took it at the open right at the bell here, hit this 80, rejected off of it pretty good. Had a nice little spike back down towards the low of the day candle here, down around the 50, and then it just ripped me. So I mean, a super tiny loss. I only lost 20 bucks on it. I was looking to get the momentum adds for the size on it, but never got the chance to do so, so we are in the clear. Second trade I took was on Activision, another short setup here. Again, not a super clean daily setup, but I saw the double inside day here. Obviously, super weak name here, just consistent, steady downtrend. Looking for something special here on it. So pre-market's just a mess, but got around the VWAP here. Open candle week, had a nice little bounce again, and again popped above it, rejected and dropped back underneath the VWAP. I got in around this breakout level here, going back to 2 days ago low a day, plus underneath the previous daily high and the volume profile zone. Got one momentum at it as it started dropping for me, but ended up ripping, spiked me out towards high day. Just decided to wait for another reset. But before I do that trade, I ended up taking a trade on Walmart. Walmart is one of my A+ setups. It met 10 out of 10 criteria that I'm looking for. I was ready to size up on it and just try and find a way in on it. I just happened to be paying attention at the right time here. Market ripping higher at the open, so clear strength, buying the dip, trying to fill the gap higher. I was looking for something to kind of follow up on that one. And we got a clear hold above VWAP. Nice little range here with the volume profile zone. Clear areas over here, scaling out way back here. You can see it's the top edge of the value area. Definitely a place I would want to get long at, and it just gave me a beautiful setup. I mean, tries to break down, fails, gets bought straight back up on a low volume candle. I mean, I am in, I added, and the thing just moved great for me. But the problems that I made on this one is I was 75% out of this trade right here, and I had 3 different momentum adds. And my rules are, the first momentum add I take as it hits its target on a micro pullback. So we broke the high a day, that's my target, micro pullback, I take it. Fine, that's great. That's what keeps me green every single day. But then it kind of chopped around and stalled a little bit, and I ended up taking the other 2 lots off on it. And I mean, I would have caught this entire move here if I followed my rules. My other rule is the second momentum lot I take on a 1-minute candle low break, so I would have taken that other one right here. So instead of being all out right here, I would have only been half out right here. And I would have let it continue. I would have hit that breakout, and I would have taken that other last Momo lot off on a micro pullback here, and then I would have exited the rest of the trade here as it lost that 9 and then confirmed it down there. So I mean, it was a huge win for me. Let's see, it was a $600 win, but I mean that potentially it's a 4-figure trade there. I just kind of didn't get it, so really too bad. but can't complain. Obviously a solid win. So then I switched back to Activision. Market clearly strong, buying this gap, but Activision, don't know what's going on. The main reason that I like this one the most was the cumulative delta on this one. So this is a 15-second chart here. You can see the cumulative delta showing nothing but buying. Just got a little dip here, ripping, buying, 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 buying. So we got all these buyers in here, but they are not happy. They're not profitable. They're not getting any money. They got no reasons to add. So once this thing lost VWAP again, another VWAP failure. Tested above, rejected back under, tested above, rejected back under. As soon as it started hitting down this mid 70s here, mid to low 70s, that's when I got in. Added with momentum, took my momentum off, and then I let it ride to the OG entry where it gets above this 9, and I take it out and I let it be. I mean, I'm trading 0 days till expiration options, and those are the ones that can absolutely kill you with time. I mean, more often than not, you got to be aggressive taking profits than trying to let the thing ride and go as long as you can, because I mean, you're literally talking about a 50% cut of premium if you're just letting that thing simply pull back to a moving average or wherever. The theta will kill you. But overall, obviously, pretty good day. Good way to end the week here. Not too bad at all. No compliance issues, which is a huge one. I mean, you're looking at all these. You want to see ones. You got a 2. That's not a 1. You got 1 1. You got 2 1s. You got 2 1s, and everything else just mistake after mistake. So I mean, it's a good way to end the week. I'll end up doing a little recap on my own later on here, but I think these daily recaps at the end of the day might be a good thing for me. Just kind of obviously review what happened, go from there. Whatever happens, happens. But wanted to do this one today. Maybe I'll do it again on Monday, or not Monday, Tuesday. Market's closed on Monday. Don't forget, I will be sleeping in. But maybe Tuesday I'll do this again, go over the trades. Don't know if I'm going to get back into the actual live stream again, but